Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix no SIM found, invalid SIM or SIM card failure errors on your Android device. So let's get started. Firstly, turn off your phone and then remove the SIM card. So then open the Settings app, and in the Settings app go to the Search tab. Here enter Apps, then tap onto it, and in the search bar enter SIM Toolkit, and in the SIM Toolkit look for the storage, and then tap Clear Cache, and then power off your phone again. And when you have powered off your phone again, reinsert the SIM card back and turn the phone back on. After you have turned your phone on, go to the Settings app and then scroll down to the About Phone tab. And here scroll down to the Software Update and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and install the update if one is available. And if the problem still isn't resolved, start from the home page of the settings, go into Connections, and here scroll down to the SIM card manager. And if you have dual SIM, choose the dual SIM and then disable it. Restart your phone and enable dual SIM again. And this method works with various brands like Motorola, Samsung, LG, and Xiaomi. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.